Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I am Domi Sonabuan. I am a civil engineer, but now I am working as a teacher fellow for Teach for the Philippines, and I am assigned in Malaban Elementary School. Nagtuturo po kami ng mga bata sa isang komunidad kung saan nabubuhay sila sa basura. Ang basura po yung pinagkakakitaan nila. Junk shops po ang main business doon sa Malaban. So, the problem is, a common household generates 5 to 7 kilograms of waste daily. And this waste end up polluting the environment. Napakasimpleng problema, pero hindi po masolusyonan. Bakit kaya? So nag-isip po kami, and we chose to provide a solution by giving the people incentives. Normal lang, alam natin ang kalakaran ng junk shop. Sino po dito ang alam ang kalakaran ng junk shop? Magbibigay ka ng basura, may kapalit na pera po. Pero aside from the money, yung households po na magiging partner namin will also get to have reward points. And these reward points can be generated, pwedeng maipon. And once maipon, they can redeem special goods and services from our partners. So paano po namin gagawin yon? We'll be giving a special segregation bin and a mobile application to the household partners from our adopted communities. And then, magsasegregate lang sila ng waste, ibibigay yung waste na yan sa bin stock, our project po pala. And then, ibibigay namin yon sa junk shop. Tapos, yun nga, makakapag-ipon sila ng points, and then they get to redeem special goods and services. So, that's all po. With Jack and the Beanstalk, in 2030, our vision is, with small actions, the Beanstalk will sprout big opportunities. Maraming salamat po.